Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a review of the Honey 9-pan pressed powder palette by Colourpop. And I've done the green one and I've done the orange one, and now I am on to the yellow one. And so, as you can see, I already have all my face done other than my eyes and my lips, because we are going to try a new lip color product as well. So we should have a pretty quick video here for you all today, and we're just going to create a look using these. As you can see, there's 5 mattes, 3 shimmers, and then a pressed glitter in the middle. And we will just see what we can create with this. So I'm gonna go on and do a brief overview of what I did on my face real quick, and then we'll go on into the eye look. It's nothing new, nothing different than normal. I did use 2 primers. I went on and used the matcha face milk and used that kind of as a moisturizer because my skin was looking a little dry. And then I went in with the Hydro Grip primer from Milk and used that. And then while I was letting that kind of firm up, get tacky, I got my beauty blenders ready. And then for concealer, I used concealer and foundation. I used my Macaroon and Huda Beauty, and then I used coconut flakes for concealer with a little bit of the Fair Neutral from Tarte Shape Tape. For eyebrows, I used my brow definer in medium brown, and then the clear the clear brow gel. And then for bronzer, I used Physicians Formula. For blush, I used the L'Oreal Paradise. And then for a highlight, I went in with the Huda Beauty palette and the Golden Sands edition. So we will go on and get started with the rest. Oh, setting powder. I used both the Huda Beauty in Pound Cake and then the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. Okay, so we will go on and get started with our eye look. So I want to go in with a pretty light, easy, natural look. I don't want it to be too extravagant. I'm just needing a little color just to do a little nice review. Okay, so the first color I think I want to go in with is this Sweet Spot. Oh gosh. Sweet Spot. It's this bright, vibrant yellow, and I'm just going to put that where I would with my crease color. So next we are going to go in with, let's go in with Oh Behave. It's like a mustardy yellow. We're gonna pop that in right below it. Now I'm going to go in with Buzzkill, this tan color, and put that just in my outer corners. And now we're gonna go in with our shimmer, and we're just gonna go in with our finger. And today I'm going to go in with Sunburst. It's the lightest one. It has like gold, silver, it's like a really pale yellow. We're just gonna press that right on our lids. Now I'm gonna go back in with that Buzzkill, that brown, and then try to deepen up those corners just a little bit right in the outer corner. Okay, and there is the eyeshadow look. Very quick, very easy. There's not a lot of precision to it. You kind of swipe the colors on to the desired amount of pigmentation that you want. If you want it really lighter, you don't have to put as much on. If you want to build it up, you can. But we did that with, what, 4 shades. I did not have any problem with dusties in this palette so far. I used 4 of the 9 colors, and I think I'm gonna put Palooza in my inner corner just to see how that goes. So let's jump in with that. For my lower lid, I'm gonna go I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with that Buzzkill and Oh Behave and blow that out and connect it to my top lid. And there is the complete eyeshadow look. I really liked Palooza and how it worked and how it just pressed in. It felt a little different than when I used, they were both pressed pigments, but Palooza was a little bit easier than Clementine to use on the inner corner. It had a better payoff, and I don't know if it was just, it's just a little bit more brighter of a color. So Palooza and Clementine, like one's a bright yellow and one's more like a pastel-y peach, so maybe that's why it didn't show up as well, or maybe I just didn't, I used a different brush and so it reacted different. We will have to play around and see, but I'm gonna go on and finish off the rest of my eyes with mascara, eyeliner, and all that, and I will be right back. Okay, so while I was gone, I put on my Call Me brown liner from Colourpop, and then I went in with the Tarte Big Ego mascara. I was gonna do a wing liner, but I'm really enjoying the way that this looks without any fake lashes and without a top liner. What I'm gonna do now is I'm going to pick out a lipstick to go with this. My thinking is to either go in with one of my Colourpop lippy sticks, and they sent me with my last package a Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip, so one of these colors. So I'm gonna go on and swatch these on my hand and then see what I like best. One of the Colourpop ones is Topanga. It's a satin lippy. And then with the other lippy stick, it's Oh Snap, and it's a matte. And then the Ultra Matte Lip is in Tulle. So here's the colors. It goes Tulle, Topanga, and then Oh Snap. I think I'm gonna go on in with Oh Snap. I'm gonna put that all over my lips, and then we will have the finished look. I already went in with setting spray, and I used my first Solly, and did that before I even put on my mascara. That way it was already, my face is already setting while I'm finishing my face off. So I will be right back. So here is the look with Oh Snap on. I really, really like this color. It went on really easy, and like I said, oh my gosh, where did I put it up? And it is a matte. It's not dry. It doesn't feel crusty. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes, and then in the description box below, I'll kind of let you know how it feels. And then I also went on and put over my other highlight, I went on and put my Prosecco Pop and my Jaclyn Hill Becca collab on it. I used that. So here's the final look, all done. Leave me your thoughts down below in the comment section, and then don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell notification, and then like this video. Have a good day.